Okay, we're going to put the rocks in there, okay?
Okay.
Open it. Okay, ready? You just dump it all in there. Dump it in there. Oh, look at all those colorful colors in there. What colors do you see? What color rocks do you see? No, leave them there. This is for the fishies.
Okay, gently.
1, 2, 3. 1 rock. 2 rocks.
Okay, you ready? Come on. Come on.
Gotta be really careful with the fish, Aiden. Let Daddy handle it, I think.
Come on. Aiden. The fish is stuck. Oh, there he goes. There's the fishy.
Hello, fishy. Hello.
I don't think you need to put all the water from the second bag in there. Just half of it, maybe.
Hello, fishy.
Hello, fishy. What's the fishy's name?
What's the fishy's name?
Did you...
His name is Nemo.
His name is Nemo?
Oh.
It's a weapon. We need to dump this.
No, we got.
Nope, that's food.
That's food.
You give him just a teeny little bit.
We'll get some food.
No, that's dirty. Oh, don't scream at the fish, Aiden. That's not nice.
Hello, fishy.
Hello. Let's clean up the rocks. Hold on. Daddy's doing it.
There's a lot of water in there. Want to do it? I want to help Daddy.
Oh, it's good. It's all done already. Hold on. It's all done.
You can give him just... Hang on. Don't touch it,
yeah.
Aiden. Just wait.
Here, the lid.
Is that the lid?
It's for the fishies.
It's for the fishes. Is that the fish's house?
Yes, it is.
Okay, can you officially welcome to the house and say, welcome home, fishies.
Welcome home, fishies.
Welcome home.
Welcome home.
Say, I love you, fishies.
I love you, fishies.
Should we feed them?